What began as a dream is now a firm reality on Gabriola Island. It is a community health center for the people, which has been built and paid for by the people. Years in the making, it's a product of bake sales, creative thinking, and countless hours of sweat equity. CTV's Chandler Grieve takes us on a tour.
Welcome to the Gabriola Health Center. It's a community-owned center.
And is it ever?
It's the first one I've ever been involved in where we didn't have to pay people to work.
From those hammering the nails on the outside.
The building is designed by local architects.
To those who played an instrumental part designing the inside.
When the six of us started 6 years ago, we had no idea. We knew that it was necessary. We had no idea that we actually could pull it off.
Community is the overwhelming theme of this two-story, 800 square meter state-of-the-art medical facility. When complete, it will be equipped with an emergency care room, 6 examination rooms, and a helicopter landing pad for patients needing more advanced emergency treatment.
Our community has stepped forward and said, yes, this is important to us, and yes, we can do it.
And they pulled it all off with hardly any outside help. The $1.4 million building was designed by Gabriola Islanders, built by volunteers from the island, and with the exception of $100,000 that VHA chipped in, paid for entirely by, yes, the 4,000 locals that call Gabriola Island home.
We sold $25,000 worth of ice cream over the last 2 summers and held many, many community grassroots events to raise money.
The project was spearheaded out of a need to keep doctors on the island. For years, this old converted liquor store served as the island's only medical clinic.
Previous quarters, we've had up to 3 emergencies and had to move them into doctors' offices and into the physiotherapy unit, which makes it extremely difficult to look after the patient.
This is a community project in its truest form. Nobody has received a single dollar for working on this site. Most of the workers are retired as well, and they're doing it simply because there was a void that needed to be filled on Gabriola Island.
I've heard some nightmares of people being turned upside down almost to get in small boats to get them across the other side.
Well, the monetary reward is for us is none of us would even consider it. It's the pride and the enthusiasm that we all have in it in creating something for the island.
Way beyond expectations. It doesn't just feel good, it feels fantastic.
The hard work has paid off, and the entire community will get to see it later this month with an open house on the 28th. The health center is expected to open up and begin treating patients in August. Chandler Grieve, CTV News, Gabriola Island.